All right, news that is just coming in. It's a recent video of the Indian-Chinese soldiers brawl that's taking place in Sikkim. Vishnu is joining us on the phone line with the details. Vishnu, what can we see there?
So our army sources confirming to us that the video that you see on your screens is authentic video, it is recent video, and it appears to show a high altitude brawl between Indian and Chinese soldiers in Sikkim. Now, these brawls have become fairly commonplace, as you know. There was a violent brawl on the banks of the Pangong Lake, then another one later on the 15th of June, in which 20 Indian soldiers were killed in action. The army believes up to 40 odd Chinese soldiers, 45 Chinese soldiers were killed as well. But this video is a few weeks old, possibly. It took place in Sikkim. Remember, it was in the month of April in the month of early May, that news emerged of a brawl between Indian and Chinese soldiers in the Nakula Pass area, right in the north of Sikkim. It's unclear whether this video emerges from that, but the video itself shows Indian and Chinese soldiers fighting with each other. Then towards the end of the video, you can clearly see an Indian soldier, punching a Chinese soldier who's sort of dazed, as it were, before it appears that the Chinese soldiers return from that location.
Right, Vishnu, and do we have a rough timeline of when this video was in fact taken?
This video was likely in the end of April, first week of May, and what I am told by sources, in fact, is that this is likely the bunker area of Sikkim, which is a plateau area in Sikkim itself. So that's quite clear on the location as well.
All right, so a recent video there emerging in Sikkim, and crucially, Vishnu, if you could just talk us through that visual that we're seeing on our screens. There doesn't appear to be any kind of weaponry, no sticks, stones, nothing. It's just fisticuffs, really, between the Indian and Chinese soldiers.
Quite right, and fortunately that's what it was limited to. It didn't involve the use of melee weapons. There were no batons or swords or batons with nails attached to them or barbed wire laced batons, none of that. It was soldiers in a scuffle. It got fairly intense at a particular stage. Towards the end of it, there's this Chinese soldier, I don't know if he was an officer or not, who gets hit quite violently by an Indian soldier, and he appears to be fairly dazed, and then both sides actually move away. So this is actually one of the clearest, if not the clearest, video that has emerged in years of a real brawl between Indian and Chinese soldiers. The last time pictures emerged of a brawl like this were again in the Pangong Lake area a few years back, when the Doklam crisis was actually taking place. In the recent past, there have been pictures which have emerged, not video, but pictures of Indian soldiers detained, likely in the Pangong area, their legs bound. And then, of course, all this news, but without any pictures or video of the clashes which took place in the Galwan region, in which 20 Indian soldiers were sadly killed in action. But Indian army sources tell us that approximately 45 Chinese soldiers were also killed, including a colonel of the Chinese army, and that's something that has been confirmed now by our very senior and reliable sources, saying that it was the Chinese who brought up the death of this Chinese colonel, a commanding officer in the Galwan region, during the Major General level talks which were taking place over the last few days. But that's several hundred kilometers away from the location of this particular video. This is in Sikkim, likely to be the bunker area. It's a plateau, but it's a high altitude plateau, and I can tell you it's not easy for any soldiers to be involved in physical skirmishes. The air is very thin at these altitudes, 16,000 feet. But these soldiers are acclimatized, and they were involved in this brawl that you can see. Both sides had cameras with them quite clearly. That's part of the process where, in case there is a transgression or a disagreement on the line of actual control and whose territory it actually is, the soldiers face off against each other. They do something known as the banner drill. They take videos of each other. They tell each other to leave each other's territory. And what needs to be avoided is a scenario like this, where the soldiers of both sides start pushing each other around, and then these are young soldiers. They get angry, as has happened more recently than in the past, perhaps, and then these clashes actually take place. But whether or not these soldiers were armed, it's difficult to say. I need to look at the video more closely. But I should mention It really depends on the location. It depends on whether this was a patrol of Indian soldiers who were deployed in that bunker area going out to an area far away, in which case they would carry weapons. In this particular case as well, I'm quite sure that some of these soldiers would be armed as well. But the rules of engagement have been such that soldiers are told to be careful about opening fire or taking out their weapons, because that can result in a mass loss of lives. But after the Galwan incident, and this is something we can now confirm, the rules of engagement for Indian soldiers are a lot more robust than they have been in the past, and therefore the use of weapons, should the situation get out of hand, is being left to local commanders who can deal with a situation like this perhaps more forcibly.
All right, Vishnu, appreciate you joining us. So sources there telling my colleague Vishnu that this is a recent video that has emerged of fisticuffs that took place in Sikkim, a high altitude plateau in Sikkim a few days ago.